What's up, guys? This is Matt Tolbers with Performance Diecast, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a 2018 Lexus LC500 1/18 scale. So let's open this bad boy up. The 2018 Lexus LC500 by Autoart. I think LC stands for luxury coupe, and the 500, I don't know, it stands for either 5.0 or almost being 500 horsepower. It comes with 471 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque in the real version, obviously. It's a 5.0 liter V8, naturally aspirated. But yeah, guys, this thing has the highest detail out of any I've had so far. I picked it up for $179 after shipping, but this has more detail on the engine. It has the Lexus logo. You can see the intake and the fuse box and whatnot, and the windshield wipers. But like, it has the little hood struts that go up and down. That's pretty sweet. The front grille looks nice. This car is known for that huge grille. The headlights, I mean, guys, this looks almost real. You look at these wheels, I mean, this looks like I'm looking at a real car. Like, that is sweet. The rotor and caliper just nice and shiny. Doesn't look super plasticky. Let me turn off the light quick. But yeah, this thing is nice, guys. I'll turn the light back on. I'm not a huge fan of this color personally, interior wise. I love the outside. I'd rather have like a black interior instead of this like blue, but like, look at this detail. It's even got a pocket in there. I mean, the steering wheel has all the little buttons on it. See the gauge. I saw it from the other side. It says Lexus up there. But look at that. That's pretty high detail. Got the seatbelt. It even has, yeah, it has the real seatbelt right here. As you can see. Carpeted floors. And carpeted trunk, which is pretty sweet. I don't think the Audi had that. I can't even remember. I'm gonna have to look closer at it. But yeah, I think that's really nice. But yeah, guys, this thing is awesome. So if you like this video, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I got 3 more on the way, and I'll have a lot of other nicer ones coming too. So yeah, this thing is awesome, guys. I'd rate this like I'd give it about an 8.5. I'm not a fan of the color in the interior, but I think they make other colors of these. If you want to get it, I'll leave a link in the description of where I got it. And also join my Facebook group where I'll be posting videos and stuff like that, sharing stuff. So I'll leave that link in the description also. So thanks for watching, guys. And I'm at 95 subscribers. So if I get 5 more here, I'll be doing a giveaway, which I know I will before the next video. So all right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Peace.